Weatherman, don't tell me lies. I know it's all a big surprise. It's a hocus pocus magic that you do.
Good morning, Texas Hill Country. I am meteorologist David Knollhoff, and you are tuned into WeTV on Frequency YouTube. Well, we're hopeful that you're all safe. We had quite a lot of rainfall last Monday, Tuesday time frame. As expected, a big upper level low system slowly moved across the Texas Hill Country during last weekend, brought a cold front through early Tuesday morning and a lot of rainfall. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the data. We had peak rainfall in the central portion of the Texas Hill Country, 4 to 6 inches of rainfall, with lots of reports of hail, actually tennis size to hen egg size hail across parts, let's say Fredericksburg area, Bandera County, Kerr County, and down near Uvalde. Now, rainfall amounts outside of this red area were lighter, anywhere from about 1 inch as far as Junction to 2 to 3 inches across the eastern portion of the hill country. Bernie got 2 inches, Bandera got 3 inches, Austin got 2.7 inches, San Antonio a little lighter amounts, 1 to 6 inches, but they had tornadoes. They had 2 small tornadoes that did quite a lot of damage, EF1 to EF2 rated tornadoes. Those are wind speeds of 110 to 115 mile per hour winds. Caused a lot of damage south of San Antonio and southwest of San Antonio. Fortunately, no deaths had occurred, only damage to houses. So the cold front goes on Tuesday. We cleared out. We got rid of the severe weather. We had nice temperatures dipping down into the 40s for the lows, when this last weekend we had highs in the 70s and the 60s. So that was last week. What is going to happen this week? Let's take a look in just a moment.
Hello everybody out there in the computer world, this is Donnie Mitchell, lead environmentarian and former lead meteorologist. I want to be talking to y'all today a little bit about the drought that's going on in the whole Texas country and surrounding counties that encompass that. And we'll be looking at a good old drought map that I've created to show y'all where the drought and the severities of each area that is Texas. Thank you. Okay, here's the map that the USDA and I've put together for y'all. It's showing the drought monitoring of the country of Texas. We have an intensity level of D0 to D4, and it's color-coded right there, with white obviously not having a drought rating associated to it due to the rainfall they've experienced. If you go out west, you'll see some darker colors, the more Republican area of Texas, that has a higher drought rating of D3, D4, and we also have D2 coloration over there, and a lot of those areas experiencing burn bans. If you go towards more of our area in the San Antonio, we have a lighter intensity due to some of the rainfall we've experienced. And keep going south towards the Brownville, Corpus Christi area, they are experiencing a little bit more intense of a drought, as well as the Panhandle area is as well. And you can see by going to this website page right here, you can check this out yourself and look at the percentage of area of the country of Texas, and shows which intensity is covered and what percentile rating it has. Thank you everyone for enjoying this part of my segment, and we will be seeing you next week.
Okay, taking a look at our weather forecast today, this weekend, and then into next week. High pressure is going to sit over us as this whole weekend primarily. It's going to be a beautiful high pressure. There's going to be lots of sun, lots of nice temperatures, highs in the 70s and the 80s, and lows in the 50s. Really good camping weather for this week. Now, as the beginning of next week we transition into, Monday's going to be dry, but Tuesday we start to get these little weak waves that come across Texas. The dome of high pressure moves off to the east, and these weak upper level systems start to move across a good portion of the Texas area. The systems are weak, they're broad, they don't have a whole lot of organization, but we have enough Gulf moisture, enough lift over a Texas area that the Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday light rainfall amounts across the Texas Hill Country, we're looking maybe at a few hundredths, a tenth, If you get 2/10, I think you're going to be fairly lucky for the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday time frame. Now for the Friday time frame, an actual more better organized upper level system moves in across Texas, and that occurs late Thursday into Friday. This is going to be better organized, but it's also going to be farther north. We're still going to have a lot of Gulf moisture, so Friday looks to be really about our best chance for any type of precipitation of 1/10, 2/10, maybe 3/10 at best. And it looks like the best organized precipitation is going to be over the northern and eastern parts of the Texas Hill Country, where we're going to have strong thunderstorms up towards the Dallas area. So next Friday time frame, you might want to keep an eye out to the weather, especially if you're traveling north out of the Hill Country into the Dallas area. Some more strong thunderstorms and half-inch rainfalls, 1-inch rainfalls, severe weather could occur farther north of the Texas Hill Country. But we'll keep you posted if there's any major changes to our weather. And thank you for watching us today. Have a great week. I'm meteorologist David Knollhoff.
Know the weather channel's right, so why do you put up the fight? Go ahead and steal your stuff from them. The temperatures you give a range, it's so wide, subject to change. You might as well just tell us you don't know.
Hello everybody out there in the computer world. Hello everybody out there in the computer world.
What's
This
quite
is what
strange,
Tom
I
was
hear
talking
there
about.
are
He was talking about
tornadoes on the lake.
Donnie Mitchell needs a
When
hug.
we set it up today, I know that it
Thanks for bringing